control dribble, then between the legs. So guys, meron talong sabi niya, Coach, ano po kaya yung pwede kong gawin para mag-improve yung dribbling skills ko? So gawin mo tong 5 drills na to para mag-improve yung ball handling mo. Gawin natin mga idol is 1 dribble, then control dribble. So 1 dribble, then okay, so tuloy-tuloy ito for about 30 seconds. Then after naman, switch hands. Okay, ang focus na ito is yung control ng dribble. So kailangan yung kamay nyo nasa taas ng bola. Hindi pwede pag dribble nyo, tapos ganon. Tapos kuha ulit, balik dito, tapos ganon ulit. Okay, hindi pwede yun. So dribble, yung kamay nyo nasa top ng basketball. And then after naman ng drill na to, we go control dribble plus crossover. Control dribble, crossover, control dribble, crossover. Ginagawa natin dito, minamanipulate natin yung bola. Next drill natin is control dribble, then between the legs naman. So control dribble, then between the legs, lap. Then after ng drill na to, yung pang fourth drill natin, behind the back naman, control dribble plus behind the back. Control dribble plus behind the back. Behind the back. Yung pang fifth drill natin is a crossover, then behind the back. Okay? So yung first, right to left, and then after, left to right. So cross, behind, cross, behind, cross, behind, cross, behind, cross, behind. Then after naman mga 30 seconds, left to right naman. So gawin mo yun, idol, yung mga simple drills na yun para mag-improve yung dribbling skill.